In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bend a line in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple straight line into a smooth curve you can use for layouts, borders, and creative accents. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your canvas and the toolbar. On the left side, head to the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type the word line, then click one of the basic line options to add it to your canvas. It should appear as a straight line. If it lands off to the side or too small, that's fine, you can reposition and resize later, but the key is simply getting a line onto your design first. Next, select the line you just added. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around it and a toolbar across the top of the editor. Keeping the line selected is important, because that's what reveals the settings you need. Now, look along the top toolbar for the line style control. Depending on your version, it may look like a small squiggly stroke or an icon with dots and lines. Click that icon to open the style options. This is where you change the behavior of your line. From the options that appear, choose Curved. The moment you select it, your straight line becomes editable as a curve. You'll notice a white dot appear right in the middle of the line. That dot is your curve handle. To shape the bend, click and drag the white dot. Pull it gently to increase the arc, and move it in different directions to change which way the curve flows. Small drags create subtle, elegant bends. Larger drags produce more dramatic arches. If you overshoot the shape you want, just ease the handle back toward the center to reduce the curve or briefly pause and try shorter adjustments for finer control. You'll see the curve update live as you move the handle, which makes it easy to dial in a smooth result. When the line looks right, release your mouse to set the bend. At this point, you've created a curved line from a basic straight one using Canva's built-in tools. If you don't immediately see the curve handle, confirm the line is selected and that you've chosen the curved style. Those two details make all the difference. And remember, you can always undo a change if you want to try a different arc. That's all there is to it. You've bent a line in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching.